Hello students, I'm here again with the new chapter, chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is comparing quantities. Now in this video I'll discuss few important topics related to comparing quantities. At first we have ratio. Now what is ratio? Ratio means when we compare two quantities, okay? Ratio means comparing quantities. Now suppose we have two baskets. Suppose this is basket 1 and this is suppose basket 2. Now in these two baskets, two types of fruits are there. Suppose in this basket 1 we have 10 mangoes, okay, and in this basket 2 we have 20 oranges. Now the ratio of the number of mangoes to the number of oranges. It's written as 10. 10 is the number of mangoes and 20. The 10 after this we will have to give colon, and 20 is the number of oranges. So number of oranges in this place will write 20. Okay. Now this can be written as 10 divided by 20. So 10 is to 20 can be written as 10 divided by 10 is divided by 20. So here we are basically comparing the number of mangoes to the number of oranges. Now if you write it as simplest form, then it can be written as 1 by 2 because 0 and 0 can be cancelled, so it will be 1 by 2. Now suppose you have 20 mangoes in basket 1, okay, and in basket 2 suppose you have 40 oranges. So what is the ratio of these two quantities now? Now it will be 20 colon means ratio. This can be read as ratio. The 20 is to 40, which can be written as 20 by 40. Right? Now if you cancel the zeros, then it will become 2 by 4. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 1 by 2. Okay. Now if we take, suppose if we take the number of mangoes in basket 1. In basket 1 say we have 30 mangoes. And in basket 2 we have 60 oranges. So what is the ratio between mangoes and oranges now? 30 is to 60, which can be written as 30 by 60. If you cancel the zeros, we'll get 3 by 6, which is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, which is 1 by 2. So what we have observed that here we have got the ratio as 10 by 20, right? And here in the second case we have got 20 by 40. And in the third case we have got 30 by 60, right? And if you simplify these ratios, we'll get 1 by 2 in all cases, right? See, here also we have got 1 by 2, here also we have got 1 by 2, and here also we have got 1 by 2. So in every cases ratio is same. Ratio has remained the same, which is 1 by 2 here. So that means if you multiply 2 with the numerator and with the denominator, we get this one, which is 20 by 40. Again, if you multiply by 3 with the numerator as well as the denominator, we get this one, 30 by 60. So these all are equivalent to this. This 20 by 40, 30 by 60 is equivalent to 10 by 20. So all the three ratios, this is in case 1, case 2 here and case 3 is here. In all these three cases, what we have found that ratios are equal to 1 by 2, right? So here if we multiply by 4, then the denominator also will be multiplied by 4. So here what we are getting, 40, 10 fours are 40 and 20 fours are 80. So these all are equivalent to 10 by 20. So what does it mean? It means that if the ratios is 10 by 20, then the quantities will be multiple of 10 and 20, okay, respectively. Now here we have one confusion. What is that? Like here, if the ratio is 10:20 or 10 by 20, it doesn't mean that basket 1 has got 10 mangoes and basket 2 has got 20 oranges. It means that it is in the form of 10x and 20. So if the ratios is 10:20 or 10 by 20, so it doesn't mean that the basket 1 has got this number of mangoes and this number of oranges. It means that these quantities will be in the form of 10x and 20x, okay. So here 10x means multiple of 10 and 20x means multiple of 20. So ratio is basically a comparison of two quantities, okay. So this was all about ratio. Thank you, students.